model of plane is that again?
J3 Cub, made to look like an L4 Pirate Cub.
Excellent.
It's no J3 that he had.
Yeah, J3 then designated L4 when it became military,
Correct.
right? Yeah.
That is correct.
Very, very cool.
Yeah, it's also called a bird dog or a grasshopper.
Yeah, Grasshopper is the more apt term for it.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
L4 Grasshopper.
L4 Grasshopper.
You know who made that kit? Or
I don't know who, he was saying Balsa America.
Balsa
made
USA?
the kit. Oh yeah, Balsa USA, yeah. He said that's who made the kit.
All right, he's taxiing out. See what we can see.
And then he didn't like it as the yellow J3.
That bad boy right there. He's going to turn around and give it the goose. Oh, that had almost no run-up time whatsoever. She took off in 15 feet. Look at that beautiful plane. It's a nice paint job on it too. Look at that. Gorgeous. He is way up there. I'd put him at about 150 feet, if I had to guess.
Hey, you guys got a full scale behind you.
There we go. Got a little bit of wind today too, about 6-7 miles an hour. It's supposed to hit about 11 later on this afternoon. And a chance of storms. Let's hope that's not the case. That's a beautiful bird. Now we got a new guy taxiing out. I'm going to back out for this. And this is a, I forget what they call this. Is a ugly stick or a, I can't tell from the side. This looks a lot more like an Experimental Airlines design because it uses the square fuselage, no canopy. Not really meant to look like a scale aircraft, but got the wingspan. Look at that bad boy. Nice. I think they call it the monster stick, and I lost it because he's cruising. Holy moly, he's moving. Look at that. Gonna do some stunts with it. Nope. Back away. There we go. We'll go back to the L4. He's up. Been up for a minute. We'll see if he's going to do any kind of landing anytime soon. I'm not sure what his run time is on that tank of fuel. And if I'm being honest, we got a nice full scale up there too. That's a real airplane. Like, well, they're all real airplanes. This just happens to carry passengers. This guy runs a skydiving outfit nearby. And I'm not a fan of jumping out of a perfectly good plane, but some people dig it. So that's awesome. Let's back out and see what else we got. Here comes the Cub. Look at that bad boy. That's a beautiful job. Did a beautiful job on that bird. No fun to lose him. Oh, I think I see him. I'm waiting for him to come close. There he is. Nice low pass. Look at that. I like the striping on top of the wings. I like the detail. The attention to detail on this is fantastic. And here's the question. Looks like he might be coming in. See if we can catch this. Oh yeah, here he comes. Look at that bad boy. Up, 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 up. Nice. Well done. All right. So you still got the monster stick up there? If I can find him, I will zoom in. There he is. See what he's doing now. You gonna do any stunts or? There it is. Focus, focus. Gotta give this camera some ADD medication so it'll focus. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, we got a new contender coming out. Nice looking little red jobby there. Another cub, some dihedral. There he goes. Oh yes. Ooh, a little bounce there. Oh, our friend with the monster stick is coming in. Let's catch that landing if we can. He is definitely hard to see. There he is. There he is. He comes in on idle. Nice, nice gentle touchdown. Very good. This is quite the event. Let's take a look for our little guy in red here. See if I can find him again. There he is. Looking good, doing some, just flying the pattern. Yeah, they get out, and it's kind of hard to get them back in, isn't it? There we are. He's cruising by.
I come in and I'm hot.
Looking good. All right, we'll come back for some more later. Thanks for watching.